In the video by LinusTechTips, Linus helps Xavier from Chicago build a high-end creative PC using ASUS's ProArt lineup. Linus jokes about Xavier's minimal prior build experience, mentioning he built 1.5 with help, and guides him through component installation with humor and patience.
So that was the 1.5?
Yes, well that was the half.
The build features a ProArt Z890 Creator Wi-Fi motherboard boasting multiple Thunderbolt ports, 10 gigabit networking, and Wi-Fi 7. They install Corsair 32GB DDR5 RAM, a ROG Strix 1200-watt PSU, and an ASUS ProArt LC420 AIO cooler.
ROG Strix 1200-watt Platinum unit.
The build ends with gaming tests, noting the fans are quiet yet powerful. Well, that's around 23 minutes saved. See you next time.